Welcome to Automotive World, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of wheels. Today, we're taking a deep dive into an exciting addition to the pickup truck arena, the Mini Cooper Pickup Truck 2025. Imagine the iconic Mini Cooper charm fused with the rugged utility of a pickup. That's what we're exploring today. The 2025 Mini Cooper pickup truck is a bold step by the brand, known for its compact and stylish cars, into a market dominated by giants. Let's start with the design. True to its mini roots, this pickup truck retains the classic rounded headlights and cheerful grille but adds a muscular stance with its extended bed and robust bodywork. The result? A vehicle that turns heads whether it's cruising city streets or hauling gear on rural roads. Under the hood, Mini has packed a punch with a choice of powertrains. Whether you opt for the efficient electric model or the turbocharged petrol engine, you're guaranteed a ride that's both peppy and practical. And with Mini's legendary handling, this truck maneuvers like a dream, even when fully loaded. Inside, the cabin is a blend of functionality and comfort. Premium materials meet cutting-edge technology, ensuring every drive is both enjoyable and connected. The infotainment system is intuitive, featuring seamless smartphone integration and navigation to guide you on your adventures. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With an array of driver assist features, this Mini Cooper pickup truck is designed to keep you secure on the road. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, peace of mind comes standard. But what about utility? After all, that's what pickups are for. The bed of this mini truck is surprisingly spacious, offering ample room for gear without compromising on style. And with various customization options, you can tailor your truck to suit your needs, whether that's weekend getaways or daily tasks. So there you have it, the Mini Cooper Pickup Truck 2025 is more than just a pretty face. It's a versatile vehicle that brings together style, performance, and practicality in a way only Mini can. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Automotive World for more automotive insights and reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about this charming yet capable newcomer to the pickup scene. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your spirits high.